For daily hacks on the human body, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Then tap the bell icon to be notified on our newest videos. 5 of the best vitamins for healthy-looking skin. An excellent skincare routine is going to keep your skin rejuvenated, protected, and well-nourished. Unfortunately, not everyone uses protective measures or eats according to what their skin needs, and this is what causes dry skin, skin damage, and easily scarred skin. For those looking to change up their routine and start paying more attention to your skin, there are a number of vitamins you should be consuming to ensure your skin is at optimal health. Vitamin K. This is an extremely important vitamin as it allows your blood to coagulate, heal bruises, and it tackles dark areas of skin. If you are prone to getting spider veins, stretch marks, or dark circles under your eyes, try consuming more vitamin K to watch these disappear. Choose to eat items like kale and cabbage. Vitamin D. Because it is recommended that you protect your skin from the sun, a lot of people actually don't get enough sunshine into their systems. Our bodies can synthesize vitamin D from sunshine, which is important for fighting off infections. It is highly recommended that you take a vitamin D supplement if you do not spend a lot of time outdoors. Vitamin E. This is an oil-soluble vitamin that is considered an antioxidant. It helps protect your skin from free radical damage and can reduce acne breakouts. Consuming this type of vitamin is rather easy since it is found in many seeds, nuts, fruits, and vegetables. Vitamin C. This vitamin is easily obtainable from numerous kinds of citrus fruits, as well as plenty of vegetables like Brussels sprouts, bell peppers, and broccoli. Vitamin C is an antioxidant, which can help protect your skin from free radical damage, and it helps to boost collagen production. The neat thing about vitamin C is that it can actually reverse photoaging signs. Vitamin B3. This can be found in both plant and animal foods and is considered essential for healthy skin. It is known as niacin and is used to reduce the appearance of aging skin. It is used in a lot of different skincare products as well as supplements, since it is good for brain and nervous system health. It is sometimes even used as an exfoliate in exfoliating creams. Other than the above vitamins, you should also be looking to consume vitamin B5, folic acid, and choline. Choline plays a critical role in skin cell membrane production. Folic acid boosts collagen synthesis, and B5 helps in preventing water loss from your skin cells. The key to healthy skin is paying attention to what your nutrient intake is and whether you have any vitamin deficiencies. Overall, if you are staying protected against the sun and are consuming a vitamin-rich diet, your skin will be healthy. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more interesting facts on the human body, subscribe to the channel.